Managing your day-to-day banking requirement is a complex task, which is why our newly upgraded DB online banking platform is geared towards making things easier, quicker, and simpler. It now has a fresh look, faster navigation, and 70 plus transaction features to take care of your finances. The upgraded DB online banking platform operates on 4 distinctive pillars that will make your day-to-day banking experience simple yet exciting. The first pillar is Dashboard View. It provides single-page banking solution for you. Here you can get a snapshot view of your financial relationship that will help you make payment from the same page without further navigating to other pages. On the dashboard, we have introduced Widget. It enables you to perform a function or access a service quickly. Everything you need in an organized fashion in just a click away. The widgets on the upgraded platform are customizable too. The second pillar is Quick Pay and Quick Transfer. You can make a speedy payment towards your bills and make NEFT or RTGS transfers too in a go. You can also add your frequently used transactions to your favorite list and access it with a click. The third pillar is Personalization. Personalize your dashboard view by adding or removing widgets. Update your profile picture, contact details, and change your user ID, password, and much more with ease. The fourth pillar is Contextual Actions. The 3 dots help you to get faster transaction access for your accounts. Having 70 plus transaction features, our platform takes up the challenge to give you an exceptional banking experience to support your business needs. Now take all your important finance-related decisions anytime and anywhere across the globe. Come, let's see how we can make use of this innovative platform. On the homepage of Deutsche Bank India website, click on Customer Login and enter login credentials to access your account. Deutsche Bank's concept of single-page banking actions gives you an overview of your financial account summary and all your payment transactions to make your banking experience much simpler. On the dashboard, you will find 6 widgets. The first widget is the Consolidated Summary, which represents your financial account summary. The green bar indicates your assets and the red one represents your liabilities. It displays the number of deposits, operative accounts, investments, and loans. The second widget is the Account Summary, which provides you the account level information. Click on any of your accounts to get detailed information. You can initiate a checkbook request, transfer money to your account, or even initiate a third-party transfer within the bank by just clicking on these 3 dots. How many of us remember to pay bills at the last moment and have unfortunately missed the date due to the slow processes of the payment? Now that won't happen anymore. With the help of a third widget, you can make a speedy payment towards your bills, which you had never thought would be so convenient. Here's the Quick Pay widget. Click on the Quick Payments tab, just fill up the necessary details and transfer. Your payment towards the bill is made successfully. Here you can make NEFT or RTGS transfers too in a go. Choose the account from which you wish to transfer money. Select from your registered payees, enter the amount, and here you go. Simply enter the transaction password, OTP, and confirm. To make payment to new beneficiary, add the beneficiary by clicking on the transaction page and proceed. Isn't it simple? The fourth widget is My Transactions. Here you can see your online transactions like NEFT, RTGS, bill payment displayed in a calendar format. Once you click on the date, you can even view your past or scheduled online payments. If you have any failed transactions or any pending transactions, you can check that too over here. Let's check the next widget, Message. This widget is your direct connection with the bank, where you will receive important notifications and exciting offers. You can also write to us and raise your queries easily through this option. Operating made simple, isn't it? Now let's see the other tabs available on the top. The Account Summary lists down all the accounts that you have, like current, savings, loan or term deposit, the status of accounts and the balance details. The three dots enable you to request checkbook, transfer money in your own account, as well as initiate a third-party transfer. To check the statement of your account, you have to just click on View Transaction History. Whether you wish to check transaction details between two dates of a particular month or last 30 transactions, all are available with minimal clicks. You can also download your statement data in a PDF, Word or Excel format by clicking on these icons. The Transactions tab is divided into Repository of Payments, Payment Execution, and Payment Support Services. In the Payment Inquiry section, you can view all payments, recurring payments, scheduled payments, past payments, and incomplete ones too, with the help of Payment Inquiry widget. In the Initiate Payment section, you can pay your bills, initiate self-transfer or third-party transfer payments within the bank, and also initiate NEFT or RTGS payments to other banks. You can use a template to make quick payments in the future to your regular payees. Hence, preserving a template of a transaction helps you save a lot of time. And that's not all. You can make up to 30 payments with just a single OTP. This remarkable feature of making multiple payments is an exclusive one introduced just for you. Making payments were never so easy. Let's see how you can use this feature. Click on Initiate Multiple Payments, select the transaction type, the recipient, the account from which you wish to transfer the money, and the amount. Similarly, fill the details in the other columns too. Click on Continue. Enter the transaction password and a single OTP for all transactions. And you're done. Save your precious time of doing multiple transactions with minimal clicks. You can also view your investments by clicking on the Investments tab. Click on DB Wealth Pro to check your portfolio of mutual funds and insurance. You can check your Demat account as well. All the details about your Demat holdings of bonds and equity shares are available for your convenience. In the General Services tab, you can easily book a term deposit, recurring deposit, update nominee details, or edit the maturity instructions of the existing deposits. You can also use the basic banking functions available in the Operative Accounts widget. There is a Message Center tab available here, where you will receive important notifications and exciting offers. You can even write to us and raise your queries easily through this option. Also connect with us using phone banking and the customer care number. DB Online Banking platform is offering you the best options to deal with your payments. But still, if you need any personal guidance, you can contact your relationship manager, whose details are over here. Yes, your relationship manager is anytime available at your service. For any other queries, you may also check your FAQs. You can also access the DB Online website through your smartphone or tablet, where the web page will automatically readjust the layout to fit the screen sizes. Isn't it amazing? Less clicks, less time consumption, less clutter, but more convenience. So go ahead and experience your new DB Online platform, which will help you save time by quicker navigation and extremely easy and convenient access.